Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook chicken breast in an air fryer. First, ensure your boneless, skinless chicken breasts are completely thawed. Pat each piece very dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful golden crust. Then, lightly coat each side of the chicken with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, which helps the seasoning stick and keeps the chicken moist. Next, it is time to season your chicken breasts generously on both sides. Use your preferred spice blend, perhaps a mix of garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, and a dash of cayenne for a little kick. Ensure the seasoning adheres well to the lightly oiled surface. While you are seasoning, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes to ensure even cooking from the start. Carefully arrange the seasoned chicken breasts in a single layer inside your preheated air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Overcrowding can prevent proper air circulation and lead to uneven cooking. Cook the chicken for 8 minutes, then gently open the basket and use tongs to flip each piece over. Continue air frying for another 6 to 8 minutes. To ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked and safe to eat, always check its internal temperature. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the largest chicken breast. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove the chicken from the air fryer and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in incredibly moist and tender chicken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.